Hello and welcome. Right now I am getting a tool. You may be wondering why I have this in my hand. Well, it is to open up my newest shipment, CEA swag box. I have been patiently awaiting, sitting on my bed, twiddling my thumbs, waiting for this package for weeks, or no, like days. It's finally here, so we're gonna open it together.
Pulling out the coupe at the lot, told him 12 SWAT, busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box.
It's kind of like a haul video, but I didn't buy anything, it's free. So let's see what's in the box. Here we go, here we go. Ooh, look at this. First up, what do we got? Oh my gosh. First up, what do we have? What do we have? Oh, let me close this and make it look better. Okay, whatever. So here's the first thing. It is a shirt, what it looks like. Let's see, CEA Alumni Ambassador. That's pretty dope because I am now an alumni ambassador. It's not official till you get the t-shirt, right? Oh, wow. Next are these. Okay, these are sunglasses. There seems to be like 8 pairs. They're all for me. Just kidding. I don't think they're for me. I think I give them away to other people because I'm like Santa Claus, but Christmas is over. Next, oh wow, look at these pins. Okay, so this one says Madrid, and there's a bunch of other ones. French Riviera, I don't know what that is. It's probably in France. And there's just a bunch of cool pins. You know, decorate your baggage. Next, ooh, study and internship abroad guide. Just if you need some extra tips on how to do it, you know, if I didn't help you enough. So a little bit of information about those places. Very cool. I believe I will be giving these out. Finally. Oh wow, okay, cool. It's some information that I think is important. Yes, ways to pay. So it's information that I'll be handing out. And a free cardboard box, which is great. Yeah, so that's my box. Thanks CEA for the goodies, and I'm excited to put them to use.